For assembling, you need the Nokia Standard Toolkit version 2. You will also need some SS310 low static tape, the SS316 pressing tool and a micro USB charger. For safety reason, you must always wear the recommended gloves during the assembly procedure. Remove the protective films from the wireless charging module and the flex. Place the wireless charging module to the B cover. Use the shown corner guides to get the right alignment. Press down the wireless charging module for 3 to 5 seconds to activate the adhesive. Use the sharp end of the SS90 thread to press the flex to its place. Press it for 3 to 5 seconds to activate the adhesive. Use the pin on the B cover to get the right alignment. Place the lamp module adhesive to its place and press around it to activate the adhesive. Remove the protective film with tweezers. Place the capacitor adhesives to the shown place. Press down to activate the adhesives and remove the protective film. Place the flash module to the B cover. First place the capacitor to its place and press it to the direction shown to align the shown corner. Then press down to activate the adhesive. Then push the flash module to its place. Make sure that the flex goes between the earpiece slot and the main camera slot. Check from the other side that the flash module is firmly assembled. Place the capacitor gasket on the capacitor and press it gently. Align it with the shown edge of the capacitor. Place the capacitor grounding gasket to the capacitor and press it gently. Align the bottom edge of the gasket with the bottom of the AV jack slot. Place the third mic gasket to its place and press it gently. Align the right and bottom edge of the gasket to the right and bottom edge of the slot in the B cover. Also, make sure the shown cutting edge is facing the right way. Place the second mic gasket to its place and press it gently. Align the right and bottom edge of the gasket to the right and bottom edge of the slot in the B cover. Also, make sure the shown cutting edge is facing the right way. Place the USB support gasket to its place and press it gently. Align it so that it fits inside the pocket in the B cover. Place the earpiece back gasket to its place and press it gently and remove the protective film. Place the flash support on the flash module and press from the edges to get it firmly in place. Place the earpiece to its place. Press it gently and remove the protective film. Remove the protective film from the bottom of the AV jack. Place the AV jack to the AV slot shown side first and gently press down the other side with the SS93. Unscrew the Torx Plus size 4 locking bar screw located on the bottom of the AV jack hole to the unlocked position. Use a long bit screwdriver. Turn the screw about 12 to 14 rounds and stop when a slight resistance is felt. It is significant that the locking bar screw is in the unlocked position before assembling the A cover to the B cover. Otherwise some clips might get broken. Remove the protective film from the main camera slot of the B cover. Place the main camera grounding gasket to the A cover and press it gently. Place the A cover earpiece gasket to its place and press it gently. Before working with the engine board, protect the flash pins with the SS310 low static tape to minimize the risk of short circuit. Be careful not to damage the pins. Place the ALS gasket around the ALS sensor and press it to activate the adhesive. Remove the protective film from the ALS gasket. Remove the protective film from the battery. Place the battery on the engine board. Be careful not to damage the battery connector when guiding it to the other side of the engine board. Check that the screw holes on the battery and the engine board are properly aligned. Then press firmly around the battery to get the adhesive properly attached to the engine board. Assemble the camera boot to the engine board by pushing it in from the battery side. Make sure the clips are firmly attached. Before assembling the main camera, fold open the flex as shown. Before connecting the camera connector, make sure the engine board is on a flat surface instead of holding it with fingers. This prevents the flash pins on the other side getting damaged. Connect the main camera connector to the engine board with the SS93. Be careful not to damage the connector or any components nearby. Then press the main camera to the camera boot. Then press down the flex fold. Connect the battery connector with the SS93. Be careful not to damage the connector or any components nearby. To avoid damages in main camera, the battery connector should always be connected after the main camera connector. Before assembling the engine board to the A cover, check that none of the springs on either side of the engine board are damaged. Hold the engine board as shown and place it next to the A cover shown side first. Maintain a small gap between the edges of the engine board and the A cover to prevent any springs hitting the A cover. Connect the display connector. Be careful not to damage the connector. Lower down the other side of the engine board and gently press it to the A cover. Make sure the shown spring is not damaged. Fasten the 10 Torx Plus size 4 screws in the order shown to the torque of 12 Newton-centimeters. Remove the protective film covering the adhesive on the Skype camera flex. Place the Skype camera to its place and make sure the camera fits properly to the slot on the A cover. Connect the Skype camera connector. Be careful not to damage the connector. Then press the flex to activate the adhesive. Remove the protective film from the HSJ flex. Place the HSJ flex on the A cover. Use the shown holes to get the right alignment. Press gently to activate the adhesive. Place the A cover HSJ gasket on the HSJ flex. Use the shown holes to get the right alignment. Press the A cover HSJ gasket to activate the adhesive and remove the protective film. Guide the HSJ flex to the connector with tweezers. Make sure the shown lining on the flex goes inside the connector. Lock the connector with the SS93. Insert the USB strap to its place in an angle bottom part first so that the hooks go inside the two shown slots on the A cover. Make sure there is an even gap between the USB strap and the USB connector. Place the microphone assembly to its place and push to attach the clips. Connect the microphone connector with the SS93. Be careful not to damage the connector. Make sure the microphone flex is on top of the shown spring. The SS310 low static tape can now be removed. Assemble the A cover to the B cover side key side first. Align all the clips to the slots in the B cover. Maintain the angle between the A cover and the B cover and push the sides together to attach the clips. Then press together the other sides of the device. Check the tactility of the side keys and that all the sides are firmly attached. Connect a charger cable to the device to make sure it powers up. This verifies that all connectors are connected properly. Disconnect the USB charger and turn off the device. Press together the upper left corner of the device and screw the locking bar screw to the locked position to the torque of 12 Newton-centimeters. Use a long bit screwdriver. Keep pressing the corner and fasten the Torx Plus size 4 screw to the torque of 12 Newton-centimeters. Place the small type label on top of the screw. Press the type label with the SS316 pressing tool. Make sure the type label does not overlap the SIM tray slot. Place the SIM tray pull tab on the SIM tray. Align it with the shown edge of the SIM tray and press gently to activate the adhesive. Push in the SIM tray. Now the Nokia Lumia 928 assembly procedure is complete.